This is another Q Mini that I'm having trouble understanding the wiring from. In this case, the lights stay on constant, regardless of whether or not you have the switch on the handlebar engaged or not. And if I'm looking at the wiring here, trying to understand what's happening, it looks like the hot wire bypasses the what would be the switch on the handlebar here, which would explain why everything's on. And if I understand it right, the switch here should override the hot wire, the orange wire here. But that's not the case. No matter, I've tried 3 different switches. When I plug in the switches, it just doesn't respond to the switch on the handlebar at all. So I'm not sure how to fix that. The other issue I'm having is, based on the photo you sent me, this brake module wire should plug in to this yellow and black. Now I've tried 2 of these, and regardless of what I plug into, either this one or this one, as soon as you apply the brake, it shuts off the entire scooter except for the front lights. And I don't know what to make of that. So I need more help trying to understand this wiring, so I can fix these for you.